So when I was ordering this stuff, I did get a free gift. And I was excited to get it until I got it. And I guess I'll just make a piece of jewelry out of it. But it fits in the palm of my hand. I thought it was one of those geodes, a larger silicone mold. I had no idea it was going to be a little miniature. Looks like a painting for Barbie's house. Like I could make a geode mold for Barbie.
having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it, put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own.